My professional life requires me to maintain a clean shaven look every day, and daily use of razors was causing me a lot of skin irritation. Which is why I had been looking for a good shaver that could suit my sensitive skin, and my search ended on this Braun Series 3 Pro Skin Shaver. What I like best about it is its German design that completely adjusts to my face structure. Its 3 pressure sensitive shaving elements come with SensoCoil technology that totally adapts to my face contours and put minimal pressure on my skin for comfortable and close shave, even on a 3-day-old beard. It is suitable for both wet and dry usage so that I can use it even with the foam or gel for a more comfortable shaving experience. It gives me around 45 minutes of cordless shaving on a single charge and also comes with a 5-minute quick charge option. And since it's 100% waterproof, I can easily clean it underwater without any worries. For all the people with sensitive skin, this Braun shaver is the best choice.